Goldinvest. Explore opportunity.
Hi everyone, we're talking to Peter Schloo today, CEO of Gold Explorer Heritage Mining. Ticker on the CSE is HML. And we're talking to Peter directly from the Precious Metal Summit in Beaver Creek, Colorado. And we want to hear more about the company's latest discovery. Welcome, Peter.
Hi, thanks for having me back. Great to be here.
Yeah, always good to have you. Peter, it's a great time to be in the gold space, right? What with gold over $3,600, and a good time to be able to release some good news from the exploration front.
Absolutely. I mean, this is building on, taking the advice of systematic exploration in our back pocket from Brett Davis. We went where no one has gone before. It ran at surface 7 grams. We found a 4-kilometer mega-anomaly with a massive mega vein structure inside it that runs gold. This is a fantastic start to start off the year. We've also drilled our other projects, Contact Bay. We have updates coming from Scattergood, and we have the acquisition coming at the end of the month. I mean, we're really hitting the ground running here, and the stock is turning a direction, and we're getting buyers here at the conference. You couldn't ask for anything better right now. It's perfect.
Well, let's get into the details then, as good as they are. So you just told us about it's a broad gold zone in a wide vein system at Drayton Black Lake. And it also extends along strike for quite a distance. Can you give us the details, or can you give our audience the details?
Absolutely. So what we did is we flew drone mag, and what that did is it identified a 4-kilometer mag anomaly high. Inside of that is a mag low, and that seems to be correlated with a massive quartz vein system. So we drilled the quartz vein. It is a broad zone of 74 meters. It kicks anomalous gold throughout. We have one intercept at 5 meters at 0.98 grams per ton gold, so about a gram. And then there's a small gap of 8 meters, and then there's another 1.1 gram per ton gold over 11 meters. So this is a fantastic start to identify that, there is a massive structure that's 4 kilometers long. The mag anomaly is 200 meters wide in a granite intrusion, 10 minutes from a highway that no one has ever found before. We're the first ones to find it. The proximity to infrastructure is a dream come true. And I actually drilled 21 days straight on that structure. So I was on there. So it could be something massive. It is definitely a world-class structural discovery that carries a bit of gold, and we're going to drill. We need to drill it more. That's all that can be done. So,
well, yes. And I guess for your investors, from everyone that saw yesterday's news release and actually can look that up on the company's website, but also at Goldinvest too, of course. We've been following the story for quite a while now. So I guess you're more than just eager to get going with the additional exploration there. But of course, you can't just go and continue drilling. So you have to do some more exploration work before that. Can you just give us a rough outline of what you're aiming to do in what kind of time frame?
Yep, no, absolutely. So we're looking to mobilize as soon as possible. We actually had a press release out today outlining that as well. And so what we're going to do is do a targeted soil and till orientation program along the 4-kilometer structure. We're also doing a broader soil and till orientation program about the middle third of the property. So 30% of the property we will cover. And that covers additional structural areas of interest that Brett Davis has outlined for us. And then we have also received a permit for stripping. So we'll be stripping on top of hole 13 and doing a structural analysis of the mineralization at surface. When you combine that with, I've already scouted the pad locations myself for additional drilling. It's a fantastic start to advance that property. What we're also planning on doing just to keep the drill turning is to drill off to successfully acquire and then immediately start drilling off the Melba property as well. So we'll have near-term high-grade hopeful repeat of the Melba property as well. So it's a very exciting time for us.
Okay, great. Thank you for the short update. I'll let you get to it. Go find some more buyers for us, because full disclosure here, we're shareholders too. So
absolutely
happy networking and getting the story out. And we'll do our best too to send this video out to as many people as possible. Thank you very much.
Perfect. Thanks so much. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye.